In this video, you will learn to solve this problem that was asked in JEE Main 2024 exam. Question is, if three ABC are in AP means arithmetic progression, and 3A minus 1, B plus 1 are in GP means geometric progression, then arithmetic mean of A, B and C is. That means we have to find arithmetic mean of A, B and C. It is given in the question that 3A, B, C are in AP. We suppose D is common difference of this arithmetic progression, whose first term is 3 and common difference is D. Then AP will be, first term will be 3. To get second term, we will add common difference with this first term, 3 plus D. To get next term, we will add D with this term. Then this will be 3 plus 2D. To get next term on the right hand side, we add D with this term. When we add D with this term, we get 3 plus 3D. Therefore, A is 3 plus D, B is equal to 3 plus 2D, C is equal to 3 plus 3D. Again, it is given that 3A minus 1, B plus 1 are in geometric progression. We suppose that some number R is common ratio of this geometric progression. Then the geometric progression whose first term be 3 and common ratio be R can be written as 3. When we multiply this by R, we get next term 3R. Again we multiply this term by R, that means by common ratio, then we get next term 3R square. Therefore, A minus 1 is equal to 3R, B plus 1 is equal to 3R square. Then A minus 1 by 3, A minus 1 by 3, 3R by 3, that is equal to R, and B plus 1 by A minus 1 will be equal to 3R square by 3R. This will be equal to R. This is also equal to R and this is also equal to R. Therefore, A minus 1 by 3 will be equal to B plus 1 by A minus 1. Shifting this 3 on the right hand side and this A minus 1 on the left hand side, we get this. Now we put, in place of A, we put 3 plus D, 3 plus D, and in place of B, we put 3 plus 2D. Then this becomes D 3 minus 1 plus 2, 2D 3 plus 1 4. Now we apply formula for A plus B whole square. After applying this formula, we write D plus 2 whole square as this. We multiply this expression by 3, then we get 6D plus 12. Now we shift 6d on the left hand side and 12 on the left hand side. Then we get d square minus 2d minus 8 is equal to 0. We write this minus 2d as minus 4d plus 2d. Take common d from d square and minus 4d. Then we take 2 common from these two terms. Now we take d minus 4 common from these two terms. Then there is left d plus 2. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. This gives either d is equal to 4 or d is equal to minus 2. When we take the value of d as 4, then a is equal to 3 plus d. That means 3 plus 4. Therefore, a will be equal to 7. Similarly, v will be equal to 3 plus 2d. Thus, we get b is equal to 11. Similarly, we get c is equal to 15. Now, arithmetic mean of 3 number ABC will be equal to a plus b plus c by 3. Arithmetic mean of 3 number is equal to sum of 3 number by 3. Arithmetic mean of 4 number is equal to sum of those 4 number by 4. Arithmetic mean of 5 numbers is equal to sum of those 5 number by 5. In this way, therefore, arithmetic mean of ABC will be equal to a plus b plus c by 3. That means 7 plus 11 plus 15 by 3. This will be equal to 11. And in the option 1, 11 is given. Therefore, option 1 will be correct option.